Shoot, Logan, shoot. Nice shot. Yeah! Woo! Dude, Blakey! Yeah! Go get him! Go get him!
Nice shot, Blake. Nice shot, baby.
Go get him, dude.
Nice shot.
Oh, yeah.
Woo! Yeah! Dude, that's double!
Nice.
Good shot, man.
That was awesome.
Yeah! Alright, it's opening morning right now. Just broke daylight. We had these 4 gobblers holding up in this meadow, and they would not come in. And finally, I don't know, we started calling a little bit more, and they just came hauling through here. Blake got one with the bow, and Logan tagged one with the shotgun.
Yeah, baby.
We're wearing our all Predator Calls kill suits here. We located them this morning with our Reese Howlers, and then we're using these, what are these? HS Strut turkey reeds from All Predator Calls. Thanks, guys.
Well, it's opening morning out here. We got here just as day was breaking and started doing some howls to locate with those Reese Predator Calls, and found these birds and came over, set up. Colby started calling back behind us a little bit with that HS Strut reed.
Shoot, Logan.
I guess we got a couple.
What are you wearing?
Wearing these kill suits from allpredatorcalls.com.
Blend in like no other. Logan had his face mask on and you couldn't even see him.
I could barely see.
But Blake poked one with the bow. Nice shot. And then Logan dumped one with the shotgun running away. One heck of a double. Let's see them tail spans on them things. Yeah, they're about 2-year-old birds. We ain't complaining.
Opening morning, 2012 turkey season. See how this goes. Got one away. We just gotta sit up here. We see these birds last night. Came on to them. There sounds like there's several of them. Gobblers, so. I don't want to talk very loud, so. Good job, Ken. 2012 turkey. It's not that long beard you missed, but it'll do. Good job.
Moose Outdoors, professional grade predator hand calls and lanyards. Scorpion Optics, a clear vision. AllPredatorCalls.com, Predator Calling Superstore, and much more.